let's begin the video. So the only reason why you came to watch this video is because you don't know how to post on Instagram, or you just want to step up your Instagram game. That's why I'm here. So you came to the right place. So I have my notebook, a journal. I have my journal. I wrote all my notes in, the tips and tricks that you are going to need. I got you. You're going to get ready, obviously. You could dress up or dress down. Wear the outfit that you are most comfortable in, or if you want to get out of your comfort zone, wear that outfit because you're going to need it. You're going to need a tripod or use a person to hold your phone as a tripod. This is the tripod that I use. It's from Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. And it comes with the little thingy so you could put your phone, just extend this out. This is what's going to look like, and you could just take your pictures. So extends, or if you want to put it shorter, you could put it shorter. It even bends, so if you want a lower angle, you could get a lower angle. It comes with this little thingy, and it's a little button. You connect it to your Bluetooth on your phone and just switch this on. It'll show blue. Connect it to your Bluetooth, go to your camera app, and just start taking pictures. If you use the self-timer on the camera app, it's like, it goes like 3 seconds, 2, 1, and then it takes a picture. No, we don't have time for that. So that's why this click boom, get all the good pictures. It's actually optional if you're at home and your lighting is trash, or just want to take pictures at night. Your ring light got you. So it has like different settings. Increase the lighting or decrease the lighting, however you want, depending on your lighting situation. Obviously, or you can use a person to use them as a tripod, but there's no one that knows your angles like you do. The tripod is your best bet. Now I know there's some people that struggle with confidence, even I do. It took me 2 years to finally be confident with my body. If I could do it, you could do it also. It's going to take a while, that's why you should start now. So I challenge you to get out of your bed, get the equipment, get ready, so you can take those bomb-ass photos. I know some of you guys are scared to go out in public of people judging you, people staring at you. Honestly, you shouldn't care. Like, you are the main character, and I know that's like cheesy or whatever, but you should put yourself as the main character, and it will boost you so much. And just pretend those are your fans. They're looking at you for a reason because you know you look good. Just keep that mindset. So you should know that you look good and everyone else thinks you look good. You don't have a car like I do, or don't know how to drive like I do, so you could just take pictures at home. There's literally walls around you and a mirror in your bathroom. You could just use those as an advantage. So just find a white wall. I usually like to do the corners. Get your tripod ready, this, and the ring light. To go outside or want to take some sun pics so that lighting could look good, especially during golden hour. There's literally walls around you in neighborhoods, benches, grass. You could just lay on the grass. You could use props like bags. A drink could be a prop. I got some boba. So if you want to give me some boba, just, my original order is matcha green tea latte with the original boba. I'm not really a big fan of the poppin' boba. Matcha green tea. Thanks. A girl loves boba. Inspo. You can always look at my Instagram. I'll put my Instagram on the screen or even link down below so you guys can have some inspo from yours truly. On Pinterest, you can even search poses ideas or poses for Instagrams, and it should pop up and you could get some poses that you could even recreate yourself. Now this is where we struggle. The key is to move around. I don't want to see pictures of you guys like this. No, move around. Move your arms, move your legs, do something with your hands, move your hair. Just move around. My go-to is always using my hands. You go like this with my hands. You can even show off your rings if you guys are into rings. I see a lot of people using their rings. They go like this. or you could go like this, use the other hand, all that. Show off their rings and their jewelry like this. Another one is touching your hair. So if you are having your hair done, you could move your hair on the side, move it back. My hair is kind of short, so I see a lot of girls that have longer ponytails. They get their ponytail and they go like this. So it really looks like a powerful move. Like, I don't know why, but doing this, like pulling your hair, like you have your ponytail like this, I don't know why, it looks like a powerful move. I even took some pictures and I think it looks powerful. Another one is putting your hands in your pockets. So put it in the front, put one in your pocket and leave the other. My last go-to is lifting up my arms. Just lift up your arms, move your arms like this, the other arm. If you're wearing a dress, girl, show your body off. You could even go like this, so it looks like you have snatched waist. So like lift up your arms. So I decided to do a voiceover for behind the scenes. So here's me setting up my ring light so I can make sure the lighting is good. And then I saw a spider. Yep. Have to kill it. Yeah, me being dramatic, typical Emily. R.I.P. that spider. I don't need you in my life, so get out. So then here's me struggling with my tripod. Typical Emily once again, struggling. And then I'm here setting up, ready to pose. And then I was checking if the spider was back there. It wasn't there, so I continue posing. So as you can see, I'm moving around constantly, moving my hands. So here's a little zoom in so you guys can see. Moving my hands. So obviously, since I was wearing a dress, I couldn't really move my legs. So if you're wearing pants or shorts, make sure to move your legs, constantly moving around. So right here, I'm actually lifting up my arms, as that was one of my tips and tricks of lifting up your arms. So here's like a little visual of if you guys were like confused. And this is like a little zoom in about the hands on my face. So another visual for you guys. And then this is when I was doing my TikToks. And yeah, I'm just getting ready to make some TikToks. So this was the part that I actually lost my balance. But that is a sign that the show must go on. You gotta keep going no matter if you lose your balance or not. Just keep going.
The ground kings thought you knew how we get down, huh?
That's all I have for this video. If you guys really enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know if this really helps you or not. I really hope I inspire people to get out there and start posing and be proud of the body they came with. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch all my other videos.